GFF आणि गोय मनरिजवण संस्थेन 70व्या स्वातंत्र्य दिसा निमतान 14 ते 16 ऑगस्ट मजगती देशभक्ती चित्रपट महोत्सव आयोजित केला.
GFF and Entertainment Society of Goa will be organizing Patriotic Film Festival on the occasion of India's 70 years of independence. The festival will be held from 14th to 16th August at Macanese Palace. With this initiative of 70 Saal Azadi Yaad Karo Qurbani, we aim to pay tribute to the freedom fighters of India and remember their supreme sacrifices made during the freedom movement. The film will be screened during the film festival in Panjim are as follows. 14th August at 10 a.m. Lokman. 15th August, that is Tuesday, 10 a.m. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And on 16th August at 10 a.m. it will be Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We have invited students from various schools around Panjim area. And in case some schools have confirmed and still some more school students have also come, they can contact on 9860-260047 EG office.
तसेच 18 ते 20 ऑगस्ट मजगती गिरीश कसरवाली राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार प्राप्त चित्रपट महोत्सव पणजेच्या मॅकनीस पॅलेसात जातलो म्हण माहिती गोय मनरिजवण संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष राजेंद्र तालक हांणी दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनवाली.
The Entertainment Society of Goa will be organizing Girish Kasarwali's National Award-winning film festival. These all films are national award-winning, which will be going to screen. And this festival will start from 18th, Friday 18th to 20th August at Macanese Palace, Auditorium 1. So it's open for cinephile members as well as for the public. During this festival, on the inaugural day, 18th, at 6:30 p.m., we'll have an inaugural ceremony and we'll be screening Gatashraddha. On 19th, we'll have Dirpa. On 20th, that is Sunday, 11 o'clock in the morning, we'll be screening Asina. And 20th August, that is Sunday, 6:30 p.m., we'll be screening Gulabi Talkies.